At the bottom of the pre-work, we have a bar which says print this guide for your class. Your students and yourselves will need to click on this. And here we have basically what's going to happen in the class. The subject of the lesson, the objectives of the class, and a lesson plan with questions, maybe some role plays that you will need to address with the students during the class based on the subject of the pre-work. You don't have to stick to this strictly. If your students are more interested in a particular subject, you can spend more time on it. If they're not so interested, you can make it briefer. And of course, you can add any questions that you think would be of interest to your students. So once the class is finished, let's go back. Go back to this initial page and click on Finish. And as you can see, the tick will appear, which tells us that the student has finished the class. You'll need to look at the phone class guide just before your class, or a couple of days before your class, so that you know what to base the lesson on. Once you've given the class, you need to go back into this page and go down to the postwork and click on the icon before the level. And here you will have the online feedback sheet. This is the same as the paper version, but as you can see, it's online. There are 5 different sections. Fill it in. If there's any section where you have nothing to write on, just leave it blank, and it won't appear in the feedback that the student accesses. When you finish the feedback, click on Send Report, and the student will be notified via email that they should go into the system. In fact, there'll be a link in the email which will take them directly to their feedback. Now, go back to the first page and click on Finish in the right-hand column, and click on Finish in the top bar here. And that will do 2 things. One, it will unlock the postwork that the student will be asked to do at the same time they receive the link for the feedback. And it will also unlock the class for next week's phone class.